Mechanic.
Whoa.
What's up, YouTube? Today is finally the day. I think it's nearly been 5 weeks, Colin, since we've gone catless in the E92 M3, and I've had a check engine light. I've literally put at least 1,000 miles without a tune, but here we are finally back home at DynoComp. This is the third build. The Subaru WRX, my Camaro's the only one, and now finally, my M3 is getting a tune. I would be really grateful if we could just get 360 wheel and like 270 torque. So what's the story on the Jensen seal on?
On the what?
What are you doing to this car?
This one's getting Texas speed, heads, cam, headers from Texas speed as well, 5-inch cold air intake. Trying to think of everything on top of my head. Lower pulley, upper pulley, and flex. DSX flex kit.
Oh, okay.
So actually, I can show you the lower pulley and the flex kit because both of which showed up today. DSX's flex fuel kit, the fuel line,
what I had on my Camaro.
the harness, fuel line.
It's so easy to put these cars on flex.
I know. Well, this is the lower pulley, but they've wrapped it up real nice for us, so
that's good.
We can't see it.
What do you think you guys will make with head scan package on that?
Let me we set it up for horsepower.
Yeah.
But that car was ran perfect for a long time.
How much power do you think Tony's car is going to make with that Texas speed cam as the whole setup?
All the horsepowers.
750 wheel.
750?
All the horsepower.
750 wheel.
Somebody asked me how much horsepower is your GTR. I said all of them.
All of them.
No. You heard it, 750.
You heard it from the man. All the horsepowers.
So is that pulley combo and the boost setup 750?
Nice. For the Yasmarina. What's up, baby?
F80.
Baby. Sheesh. F80.
You don't think I should get one of these?
I think you should get one of these.
I think I should. Maybe two of them.
It does wheelies.
Does wheels, yeah.
Yeah.
Not with those tires, it needs paddles, but
Yeah. Hey, Colin, do you know? No, it does wheelies on the street.
What?
it'll do wheelies in the street?
You gotta balance it a little. There's all the weights in the back.
That's true.
How much power does it make?
We haven't put it on the dyno yet, Monday.
Oh, I'm excited. They're little turbos.
1,000?
What is it, like a 4.8 or 5.3? It's probably the Subaru. Oh no, that's like, yeah.
You guys have an oil party.
Yeah, we usually do. Like the last time we did it on the lift at your place. When the hydraulic pump just snapped.
Did you know that Colin put the wrong oil in his car once? So he decides to drain it back into the oil container with a funnel right out of the car back in, and somehow it fell out and he dumped a whole 6 quarts of oil on the floor. So I'm trying to back the boat up into the garage, and I see him and he's going nuts. And there's water. I'm like, what the hell's going on? He's like, nothing. He's like sidebarring with his mom.
I told Dad. I told him, like, he's gonna kill me.
That's jokes.
Like 5 quarts of oil.
These things are so cool looking.
Out of his car on the garage floor.
When I first got it.
Backing in with the boat. He put the wrong oil in his car, so he was trying to dump
What
it
is
back
that?
in a container.
Strap wrench.
Oh, it just helps loosen it. today?
To the gas station?
Try Coke?
Or my car? One of the two. You want to take the gas station?
What do we got? Try Coke. Hell kids and Try Cokes. What's this one make? Like 800?
850.
Oh, just 850. It smells like a Chrysler and way too many.
It's got an air chiller on it too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So the AC's a little soft in the beginning, but then it starts getting better.
So, still no clue like what was actually wrong with it?
No, I do not know yet. We're trying to. That's why we're like driving it around. Is like I've been using this as like a shop car, just to get some heat in it, see if I can get the blower.
Get some diags.
Because I'd hate to ship the car back up to him and Prescott, and then him get the car and then have it start making blower noise again, and he's gotta send it back down, and then we gotta recreate it, and we can't recreate it. It's just a whole thing. But
so basically, this client for DynoComp has this track Coke, and it was creating this like chop, almost like tumbler noise.
Yeah, like a roller bearing.
Even just like during idle, but I mean after diagging and driving, it's totally fine now. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm trying to. I don't know. I just gotta keep him putting miles on it until hopefully it starts making that noise again. But he said he only heard it like twice. So it could be on its way out and it's just not there yet, and it's intermittent in and out, but
Maybe it's possible. Maybe it just needs to be like restored, because it makes 850 wheel, it has 40,000 miles, but like who knows at this point.
Right.
Oh my god, the wine sounds so crazy. E46 M3 baby. Nice little Urus. How do you guys say? Urus or Urus? Huracan. Lamborghini. That's 10 Porsche VIP exclusive points from Salamander himself. Quick little lunch break at the Payways. Got the Kung Pao chickens. Sriracha. Bag secured. Track Coke on the ways. Bag secured.
What you got, dog?
Kung Pao chicken, noodle, steak and chickens. Noodle. Wow. Everything in here is Alcantara.
Yeah.
That's like real Alcantara. It's not like that. The gimmicky suede.
It's crazy. The Charger's not even have that.
So it's separate.
Jean still has hers.
Who?
Jean.
Jean?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Trap Queen Jean.
Oh, yeah, I think so. No, I'm pretty sure they still have their track car.
The Hellcat and the track car.
Yeah, and I know he sold the Hellcat, the manual, because Chase broke his dad's leg a long time ago, which is why he can't drive manual. Yeah, no. A buddy of ours, Chase, his father had a manual Hellcat, purple plum one, love it, plum explosion. Oh, that blower sounds so good. And his dad had an AMG GT-S, and they got a Trackhawk, but the AMG was just not a good daily. Hellcat was a manual, so he got rid of it. Don't tackle your father playing sand volleyball on the beach. Your 65-year-old father. So, yeah, that's what he did. He literally broke his knee. Yeah, Chase. The Chase Perkins.
Right. Wasn't intentional though, was it?
I think he was intentional.
Oh, you know what?
Oh, that thing made what? 525. It made 525, I think.
I think we're baseline. It's getting half.
Wow. Love me a 610. Geez, some baddies. Some baddies. Sheesh. Oh my god.
It's his birthday. That's okay.
Yeah, we gotta get him the finished product for his B-Day. What do we got going on today?
Today, we're tuning this E92 M3, old school.
So we just got done processing, what is it, both the banks?
Yeah, so we read out the factory ECU. There's two processors in the ECU for the left side and for the right side, so it takes over an hour and a half to do an initial full read.
And that's to do it safely so we don't brick the ECU, essentially.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. So we have the full read now, so we'll write a tune file based off of that, flash it in there, put it on the dyno, and see the results and make tweaks depending on the values we see on the dyno.
As far as like a baseline, what do you think will make baseline with no tune but calculates? So my primaries and secondaries are gone.
Yeah, so I would expect it to make on our dyno about anywhere from 375 to 400. And then they
Pre-tune?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
The catless makes a big difference on
It's
these.
that?
Yeah.
Is that because it's a high compression motor that it makes such a big difference with just
The cats
calculate?
are the biggest restriction in the exhaust.
Okay.
So you see some really good results from just doing that.
What do you think it'll make with the tune? It is a 100,000 mile motor.
Yeah, so normally I think we'd see, we had a strict baseline with the factory exhaust emitter with the downpipes and a tune be close to around 50 horsepower at the flywheel.
Wow.
So they pick up quite a bit.
Okay.
We'll see.
That's awesome. Also, do you want to introduce yourself to the camera?
Yeah, I'm Ken. I work with DynoComp and MGI Motorsport.
Okay, sweet. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
I'm excited. What do you call this?
Battery.
Oh, so you're just maintaining voltage on this side so that way it doesn't break the ECU.
Yeah, we're giving the car, make sure it holds a steady amperage. Because when flashing it, it pulls power. So you gotta have a
Steady level.
Yeah.
Wow, that's
If it drops too low, then the flash won't take and the ECU is great.
that's high maintenance at another level. Welcome to BMW
You
ownership.
can always roll the dice, but
Fingers crossed. What's your favorite car to tune? It's easy.
Mercedes.
Mercedes?
Yeah. Like the 4-liter turbos.
Really?
Yeah.
So like AMG,
177s.
GCS, GLEs, just that whole platform.
Yeah.
I would never thought. Huh.
Least problem.
ECUs are easy to like manage and modify as well.
Relatively speaking, yeah. They're not locked out.
Like
the
this?
newest ones are locked out,
Okay.
but a lot of them still, they work around, so you can still tune them.
Okay. Yeah, because my knowledge really goes as far as like Subarus and LS. I'm pretty new to the whole Euro scene, but that's funny hearing that it's Mercedes rather than BMWs.
Yeah, you wouldn't think so.
No, absolutely not.
But like what Mercedes are capable of, they're really impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah. And nobody thinks of them as a sports car.
Yeah, because they're
Yeah,
heavy.
like an old man car or some shit like that. But man, like GTR, those GTR Pros.
That's my dream car. Everybody wants like a Huracan or a 570. I want a GTR Pro. The silhouette, it's like it's a true GT car.
Yeah, McLarens are cool.
They don't sound
Fun,
good.
but man, yeah.
And that interior in the AMG is so nice. It has the SLS feel in it.
It's all kind of like, it's all ridiculous power, right? It's power you'll
really
never use on the road.
No, you won't.
Yeah. So honestly, like some of the lesser power cars are sometimes more fun to drive around town.
No, they really are. And that's
You're
what.
not gonna die, you know?
No, you're not. That's what's really nice about the 205s is that they have that low end torque and they sound amazing.
then you see 400 wheel, and then like 200.
Is that what it made? Oh wow.
So this is your baseline.
Yeah.
364, 263, 399, 285.
400 horsepower, baby.
Let's go! You clean it up?
Yo, we made 400 horsepower. That's hilarious.
What do these things normally make?
Baseline, it makes 350. Oh no, without the mods, these cars are supposed to make like 350, 340.
So with the cat delete and the intake, that's that
60 wheel horsepower.
Well, so that's that extra 10. So that on the baseline, there's that extra 10 wheel,
Yeah.
which we saw on the baseline. And now it's like, okay, now we threw an extra 40 at it. Those cats, bro, are really restricted.
Yeah.
Check engine lights turned on.
Yay, no more check engine light. Well, as it just so seems that the last clip where I ended it, Rich decided to speak with Ken and raise my RPM range from 8,400, I believe is the stock RPM, to 8,600, and we dynoed the car at 411 wheel horsepower and 320 torque, which is actually crazy considering the car has 116,000 miles. What's up, Stella? Do you want to say hi to the camera again? Stella, come here. Oh, hello. Oh. Say hi to Stella again. Oh, she doesn't like that. So we made, what was the baseline? I think it was like 360 with the cat delete. So we made over 50 wheel horsepower with just a tune, intake, cat delete on really bad gas. I would call that a win. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button, keep your notifications on. And as always, cheers. See you in the next one.